Hey guys, it's Nanda with Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm here to share with you guys my DIY hunting house shadow box. I spent 2 days to create this hunting house shadow box from start to finish using cardboard, and then I glue all the pieces of cardboard with the tacky glue, and every time I glue a piece together with the tacky glue, I apply the masking tape over the top. So you will see pictures of this before I glue all the papers in this shadow box. So I hope you guys enjoy the pictures too. And as you can see in here, there is items that I use to decorate the shadow box from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and Amazon. So I will bring this close so you can see all the details. I am going to start with this part over here. As you can see, there is a lot of pumpkins in here. So this pumpkin and the other 2 pumpkins that is on the back in here is from Hobby Lobby. So these 2 little pumpkins in here I got from Amazon, and you know this over here, the glitter pumpkins, is from Dollar Tree. And then I glued these 2 green branches on the back that I got from Walmart. And then I chose the spider web paper to glue in here. So as you can see, I glue on the back, on the sides, and on the bottom. And then over here, I glue craft sticks that I paint with the black acrylic paint. So on the top, I decided to glue the black cardstock in both sides in here. So as you can see in here, this Halloween branch is from Dollar Tree. This flower pot is a medicine cup that I covered up with the jute twine, and then over here on the top is 2 pieces of black pipe cleaners. So the 2 black cats in here you can find at Hobby Lobby. And for this side, I chose this white paper with the black cats for the sides and for the back, and for the bottom I chose this orange paper with the polka dots, and then I glue the craft sticks on the top and on the bottom. Now for this part over here, I glue the paper with the bats. As you can see, it's a gray paper with the black bats. And then on the bottom in here, I decided to glue this orange stripe paper. And then I glue the craft sticks in here that I paint with the white acrylic paint. And then the mini crates in here that I made with the craft sticks. And then I paint with white. And then in here, I added some more of the green branch that I got from Walmart. And then the ghost and the bat foam sticker. And then over here, there is the owl that you can find this at Dollar Tree. And then these 2 pumpkins in here with the black polka dots is from Dollar Tree too. So I stuck them all together, and then I glue in each corner in here. And then I apply these little things in here too. So, and then over here on the top, as you can see, there is Happy Halloween. These letters I die cut with the glitter orange paper, and then I glue in here. So for the sides of this shadow box, I glue the ghost foam stickers. And the back I just left as it is, and then I glue on this other side too the foam ghost stickers, and then I cover this with the black cardstock. And this is the video for today. I really enjoy making this haunted house shadow box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.